In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana in Gemini. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate through this incredible tool, making image creation a breeze and opening new avenues for your creativity. First things first, we need to head over to Google and search for Nano Banana. Simply open your browser and type in Nano Banana into the Google search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll be greeted with a variety of search results. Look for the link titled Nano Banana, Gemini AI Image Generator and Photo Editor, and give it a click. This will take you right to the heart of the Nano Banana application within Gemini. Once you're on the Gemini platform, you'll see a button that says Try Gemini. Click on this, and it will guide you to the main area where you can begin creating your images. Now that you're on the creation page, you'll see an option with a banana icon labeled Create Image. Click on it to start your creative journey. With the creation interface open, you're now ready to input your creative ideas. You'll see a prompt box where you can type in the description of what you'd like your image to look like. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. The great thing about this tool is that you can keep refining your input until the generated image is exactly what you envisioned. As you fine-tune your image details, you might have existing photos that you'd like to integrate into your new creation. Simply click on Add Files to upload any photo from your device. Once uploaded, you can then type in a prompt to add more depth or context to your image. Adjusting features and styles as you prefer is a straightforward task with the power of Nano Banana at your disposal. One of the coolest features of Nano Banana is the ability to blend multiple photos together. By typing in an appropriate prompt, you can seamlessly combine elements from different images to create a cohesive masterpiece. This feature extends to altering backgrounds or locations within your creations, enhancing the visual appeal significantly. If somewhere along the line you're not quite satisfied with the image that was generated, don't fret. Right below the image, you'll find a redo option which allows you to tweak and regenerate until you're happy with the result. Conversely, if you've nailed the perfect image and want to keep it, simply hover over your photo. In the top right corner, you'll find the option to download the full-size photo to your device. There you have it, a full rundown on how to use Nano Banana in Gemini. With these tools and tips, you're well equipped to create stunning, unique imagery at the click of a button. Get creative and have fun with it.